Hi everyone, today we will create an animation from spritesheet. So first of all we need to install our 2D sprite manager in Unity registry. 2D sprite and install this. Uh, For example, I have here a 3D project, but it actually doesn't matter for creation and animation. Okay, so we installed our 2D sprite package, and now let's have a look what we will animate today. I choose this free asset from Unity Asset Store, Isometric character doc. So I will add it to assets and let's open it. And download it. So this is our imported asset, and here we have an sprite sheet for a different animation. Which one I would like to choose? I will so let's choose this front idle seat. And in the right side, in inspector, this texture type should be sprite 2D and UI. Sprite mode should be multiple. And let's open our sprite editor to cut our sprite sheet. This one is automatically cut as I prefer, but if you would like to change something, here in a slice you could choose a different kind of slicing, for example by cell count. In our case you could put here amount of column and rows and just slice that, but I'm pretty satisfied with this slicing like this, and then when you will slice it, just play apply and everything will be applied. So now when we slice our sprite sheet as we wish, we just should put our sprite sheet in our scene, not like not like this, but somewhere away from any object, not to apply this sprite like a material. Yeah. So and now Unity offer us to create a new animation. So let's just create here a new folder, animations. I didn't create a new folder actually. I just yeah, I just created like animation. So animations, and let's just rename these to front seat, I guess. Front seat animation, and let's put all it to animation folder. So let's just rename it for dog, for example, and let's reset it to 000, like this. And now if I will hit the play button, our animation should be played. Yes. As you could see, just a sitting animation. And let's just set our camera here to have a better view in a game. Yeah. And also what I would like to show you that we could create another animation for our dog from another sprite sheet. For example, this front walk exactly in the same way. So open a sprite, slice correctly, and let's put it to the again. Let's put it somewhere away from a plane here, and Annie walk animation. And in our animation folder we have now a walk animation, and I could delete our dog from hierarchy from a scene, but then choose our first dog, and in animator tab we could just rename this for front sit, and we could create here another empty state which I could name walk, and here we could choose our walk animation and create transition from sit to walk, and then from a code we could add a parameter which will trigger our player from sitting animation to walk animation. I will just do it manually right now. For example, walk like this. Here in transition I will add a condition walk, and I will uncheck has exit time. So now when I will press play button, our dog is sitting, and then when I manually will trigger a walk, our dog is walking. So that's what I would like to show you for today, and see you in the next video.